Hey everyone, welcome back. If you've ever felt a little frustrated trying to position images or elements just right on your Wix website, and those mysterious pink lines keep getting in your way, you're in the right place. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to turn off snapping on Wix. By the end of this video, you'll know how to move objects smoothly without Wix trying to smart align them for you, giving you full creative control over your design. So let's dive in. First, head over to your Wix website in the editor. If you're already working on your design, perfect. But for this demonstration, I want to make sure the snapping effect is clear, so we'll add a fresh section to our page. Just click the Add Section button, and you'll notice a new space pop up, ready for our example. Now, let's add 2 images. You can choose any sample pictures you like, maybe a logo and a product photo, or just 2 placeholders. Drag them onto your section so they're nice and visible. These images are going to help us see how Wix's snapping behaves. And if you're following along, don't worry about getting them perfectly sized or positioned just yet. This is mainly so you can watch how Wix reacts when you move elements close together. Alright, here's where snapping comes into play. Try dragging one image so it gets close to or even bumps into the other image. As you do, you'll notice a pink line appears between them, kind of like a magnet guiding you to line things up. Wix does this to help people align items neatly, but sometimes, especially when you're going for a more free-form design, it can be a little too controlling. That pink line means you're stuck following Wix's alignment rules, which isn't always what you want. But don't worry, I'll show you how to turn it off. Look up at the top right of your editor and find the Tools menu. It might take a second to spot if it's your first time, but it's usually right up there with options for rulers, grids, and more. Go ahead and click on Tools. In the drop-down, you'll see an option called Snap to Objects. This is the feature that's causing those pink alignment guides to appear. All you need to do is disable it by clicking the checkbox. You'll see it uncheck right away. For a little test, try dragging your images again, just like before. Move one image close to the other. And now, pay attention. The pink line is gone. You can position your pictures exactly where you want with no interference. That simple tweak gives you the freedom to create layouts precisely the way you envision them, especially useful for custom designs or when you're purposefully placing items off-center for style. And that's really all there is to it. Turning off snapping on Wix is quick and easy, but it can make a world of difference when you need more flexibility in your web design. If you ever need to put snapping back on for crisp alignment, you can return to the Tools menu and enable it again. Think of it like a painter deciding when to use a ruler or just letting the brush roam free. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to hit that like button, and let me know down below if you have any questions or if there's a Wix feature you'd love to see explained. Don't forget to subscribe for more straightforward design tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and happy creating!